Today I made some smoked trout my way. First thing first, I have 2 liters of drinking water. I add 140 gj of table salt. I add 2 teaspoons of Maggi number 4. That's a herpes and salt for spicing up salad. And of course some fish. Let it rest for at least 12 to 15 hours, depending on the size of the fish. Pour it down so it doesn't float. As you see, I use my smoker box for this job. I'm not using this in the way it is made, because charcoal burning on the campsite it's not allowed. I don't think sawdust will be allowed either, but I'm not telling anyone. For this job I'm using beechwood. This is a traditional sawdust that is most commonly used. To ignite the sawdust, I use this small high temperature burner. This is the simplest and most convenient way to ignite the sawdust. Now you saw that goes on top of the heating element. I use a wireless probe for temperature monitoring. The optimal smoking temperature for fish is between 70 and 80 degrees Celsius. The smoking session will be less than 1 hour, depending on the size of the fish. Now is the time when the neighbors start looking around the corner. What's going on there smells good. Yes, perfect. Dry out some of the liquid that had collected inside the fish.
Guten Appetit!
And if it was good, this should be what's left.